hawk move in a way that the sun does not blind it? That's why they use the sun in more ways than one. Now, all seriousness though, it is true. It's a slingshot. You know, you reverse the flow. You cross the lines. The X is a cross of love. And Sekhmet, for whatever reason, give me that hint. I think I love that statue, huh? Yeah, to make a long story short, that's what it is. After years of taking shots at other races and other forms of martial arts, I found my own, the rough way. I prefer you do it with love and affection. And yes, they're slowing down my videos. I promise to God. It appears slower than it was before. And yes, I'm very fast, and about as fast as I say. 15 hits with, I think, large blue lightning karate/taekwondo gloves in 1.2 to 1.3 seconds. I'll even give you 1.4. From about this, you know, this is the range, right? These are my arms, right? Long ass arm range. Around 82 to 84 inches. I'll give you that extra little leeway. Okay? Consider the distance, timing, Godspeed, light speed, fasting, putting on the spirit, being anointed with spirit. Do you want to be anointed with spirit or the lard of a pig? I mean, come on. You know? Give me my credit. Render unto God that which is God's. And it's that simple. Thank you.